This is Slipstream. It's a top-down racing game. The idea is that you shoot little pieces of yourself to propel yourself. It's a momentum-based racing game, we like to call it. So the idea is that you want to try to bounce and keep chaining bounces together to keep going faster and faster. There's four of us. Yeah, this is made in Unity. We have a Steam page up. Currently, our demo's up. We will be releasing sometime later this summer.